Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2020 Toyota Tundra 4x4 Crewmax SX. This is a 5-passenger pickup truck in Alpine white, and under the hood you'll find a 5.7 liter V8 driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Tundra includes color keyed bumper ends. We also have fog lights, LED headlights, and black wheels. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button. We're going to press that unlock button once for the driver's side and take a look in the front first. On the top here you have your power windows and locks with your power adjustable side mirrors right next to the door there. You have some storage on the bottom of the door that runs along the entire side. This Tundra comes equipped with black cloth seating. If you take a look on the bottom, you have your power seating adjustment buttons. We got our key here. We're going to start this Tundra up. And as always, we're going to look at the steering wheel features. First, on the left side, you have your audio controls, as well as your voice recognition system and your hands-free calling. On the right side, you have this cluster here, which allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. And right below that, you have your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with dynamic radar cruise control and lane departure alert, with your cruise control speed settings right behind the steering wheel there. Moving on to our screen here, right now we are on the home screen, and on the left side, it'll display your trip information. On the bottom left, it'll show any device that's connected, and on the right side, you have your audio. If we press this audio button on the left side, you can see you have your standard AM and FM options, as well as a choice between USB and a Bluetooth device. Going into reverse, there you have that backup camera with those nice guidelines as well. Down below that is your climate control system. You got these nice sturdy turning dials, and you also have your drivetrain selector to the left. And moving down below that, we'll find some storage space, as well as your USB port, driver and passenger heated seats, and your 12-volt outlet. Continuing in the back here, you can see we have some storage space that runs along the entire side of the door, just like the driver's side. If we move in a little closer, you can see behind the front passenger seat, you have a little extra storage compartment. And the bottom half of these seats do fold up. All we gotta do is pull this handle. The seats click into place, giving you extra storage space in the back. Taking a last look at our Toyota Tundra, once again, some of those great interior features includes your driver and passenger heated seats, Bluetooth capabilities, and a backup camera. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take a Ford test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.